Ohio is a great place to be if you want to start thinking about innovation, if you want to be able to do startups, because you can make a mark here.
It's essentially an entirely new way to connect devices by simply using sound.
Our proprietary smart audio tones are just above the human hearing level, so they're completely silent with the ability to trigger experiences and unlock the power of data over audio.
Our goal is to be here. We want a listener button. One of the things that's been really interesting about Listener's trajectory is that it's been fast. We raised seed round in 3 months. We did $3.5 million in our Series A. We just closed our Series B. That was actually led by Intel Capital, largest, most successful corporate VC in the world. That's a huge stamp for us.
Nikola Labs is a company that is going to create a world of ubiquitous wireless power. It's relevant not only for products like your cell phones, but think smartwatches, the Internet of Things, wearable technology, whether it's a Fitbit or technology being integrated in things like clothing. All of this will need to be powered, and that's what Nikola Labs is doing. We're powering what's next. We're in this to change the world.
So at Strap, we take human data and turn it into insights. So lots of data being generated today, hundreds of millions of smartphones, wearables like Fitbit and Apple Watch, fitness platforms like MapMyFitness and Runkeeper. What we do is we take all that data, we put it into a nice common format, and then we make it actionable for retailers and brands. So if you're talking to someone that makes a product to help you sleep better, and I can tell that brand manager that this percentage of your population was actually up at 2 a.m., wouldn't you love to be able to message to them when that occurs so that you can get them a product immediately? That's the type of thing that we bring to the table. It's not just here's a bunch of data in your lap, it's here's that data transformed into information.
It's a very exciting time. It's the forefront of mass scale 3D printing. We want to see people create the future with our products.
We're going to help create that next billion-dollar company by having some of the smartest people in the room, some of the smartest employees that are developing software and solving some very complex problems.
We love solving hard problems. We like being weird and different. We encourage everybody here to be different by thinking beyond just software. That's what we do on the boat.
We all know that technology, information technology specifically, makes a huge difference, and we make it happen for you. Innovation drives me, making almost 20 different IT startups. That is very powerful.
There is a high-tech Midwest, and it centers around what Ohio has. You'd reach out to Teradata because we are the leader in big data analytics, marketing apps, and data warehousing overall. We're the single largest data warehousing company globally.
We write all of our own software, so what we've done is really bring a user-friendly approach and design to the HR and payroll business.
CoverMyMeds helps patients get the prescription drugs they need to live healthier lives. We do that by automating the prior authorization process. Prior authorization is a permission slip that your doctor needs to submit to your insurance company before they'll cover your prescription drug. So what CoverMyMeds has done is we've made that process electronic so that when the doctor's prescribing a drug, we already know that it meets the payer's coverage criteria. The pharmacy can quarterback the process, the doctor can participate, the health plan can connect electronically to all of those participants, and the process works a lot more smoothly. We're on a hockey stick in terms of growth. It took us 34 months to help our first 1 million. This year we'll help 15 million patients.
So we never start with, oh, you need this type of analytics. We start with your business challenge and show you how you can address that business challenge, either with data that you have in your enterprise, data outside of your business, and then how you can apply analytics to improve that space.
IBM's program here as the North America Analytics Center, we look at this as a 10-year journey. So we see growth over the next 10 years being fairly phenomenal.
Internet and information technology has no boundaries. No more believes that you can do it only from California. Ohio will emerge to be one of the leaders in the technology areas.